Welcome back, everyone. Sean Stevens here again with Metroplex Mortgage Services and another USDA video quick tip. How does a continuing resolution help the USDA program? Today's video tip will discuss how you can benefit from the newly signed continuing resolution and the positive impact it has on the USDA program. Now, today's topic is extremely important due to the timing involved, so let's get started with the details. A continuing resolution is a type of appropriations legislation used by the United States Congress to fund government agencies if a formal appropriations bill has not been signed into law by the end of the congressional fiscal year. The legislation takes the form of a joint resolution and provides funding for existing federal programs at current, reduced, or expanded levels. With Congress agreeing on the most recent continuing resolution, the proposed changes to be made to area eligibility for USDA financing has been postponed. This not only allows for the USDA to extend the rural definition for all currently eligible communities through the end of the continuing resolution, but makes available the full resources, including loan processing of the USDA loan program through rural development offices nationally. What should your next steps be? For homebuyers, this is a window of opportunity that should not be missed. If you are looking to purchase in an area that may be impacted by future eligibility changes, now is the time to act. We are working with new pre-qualifications right now and are ready to help get your financing lined up and be prepared for you to make an offer. Just call or email to discuss your scenario and let us show you the Metroplex difference. For realtors, make sure to forward this video to your database and share these important details with them. If you have any scenarios or questions, please give my office a call. There may be specific timing restrictions due to the continuing resolution, so stay tuned for future details. The USDA program is a phenomenal financing tool, but communication is the key to success. We are known for keeping realtors and homebuyers updated through each step of the process, from pre-qualification to closing. I want to thank everyone for the continued referrals and trusting us with all of your mortgage needs. And if you've not yet done so, take a moment and download our free USDA Blueprint for Success with the link below. This is a great educational resource for the home buying process to share with both buyers and sellers. And don't forget to subscribe for free on the right and forward with the share button below. Let's make it a great day, and I look forward to seeing you right here for the next tip of the week.